Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen innovation with our top picks of 17 Amazon kitchen must-haves for effortless cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking newbie, these gadgets are here to elevate your kitchen game. From space-saving tools to time-saving wonders, we've got something for everyone. So grab a snack, sit back, and get ready to discover some awesome kitchen gear that'll make your cooking routine smoother and more fun. Let's jump right in.
The Faucet 4L electric composter efficiently transforms daily kitchen waste into rich fertilizer in just 3 to 6 hours. Its 4-liter capacity is ideal for families, and the odorless dual carbon filter system ensures a fresh environment. This stainless steel compost bin features a smart LED display with 3 composting modes, an auto-cleaning function, and a powerful 6-blade churning system that can handle even small pig bones. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it's your eco-friendly solution for reducing waste and enhancing your garden soil. The Zulay Kitchen Premium Apple Corer tool makes coring apples, pears, and other fruits and veggies quick and easy. Its ultra-sharp stainless steel serrated twin blades smoothly pierce through produce, then easily release the core with a simple lever action. Durable and rust-proof, it features an ergonomic non-slip handle for a comfortable grip, even for those with arthritis. Effortless to clean by rinsing or in the dishwasher, this versatile kitchen tool saves time and effort, making it a must-have for any kitchen. The Coach FNM Electronic Mini Food Slicer is a compact yet powerful kitchen tool, ideal for small kitchens or on-the-go use. With a 350 milliliter glass bowl and 6 stainless steel blades, it quickly chops garlic, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and more with a simple one-touch button. Its rechargeable cordless design ensures easy handling, while the shock-proof pad keeps it stable. Cleaning is easy. Simply hand wash the bowl and blades and keep the motor dry. A great addition to your kitchen for effortless meal prep.
The FORIOUS Black Kitchen Sink Faucet combines style and functionality with a matte black finish and durable SUS 304 stainless steel construction. Its pull-down sprayer offers dual modes, stream and spray, for versatile use, while saving up to 20% more water with an integrated aerator. The single handle design features 360-degree swivel and a leak-proof ceramic cartridge for lasting performance. Easy to install in under 15 minutes, this faucet's extra height and universal fit make it ideal for spacious sinks in kitchens, laundry rooms, RVs, and bars. The Food Cubby Plate Divider 2-pack offers a convenient and safe way to separate food on your plate. Made from 100% BPA-free, phthalate-free, and lead-free food-safe silicone, these green dividers feature strong suction to stick securely to flat surfaces like plates, high chairs, and tables. Their smart design holds up to half-cup portions, ideal for portion control and diet-friendly meals. Easy to hand wash and dishwasher safe, these portable dividers are perfect for mealtime at home or on the go. The ROMSTO Mini Bag Sealer is a compact, 2-in-1 tool that both seals and cuts bags, making food storage quick and easy. Made from durable ABS material, it heats instantly, no preheating needed, and seals food bags with a simple press and slide. With its magnet base and handy lanyard, it's easy to store or hang up. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for sealing snacks and other foods on the go, ensuring freshness. 2 AA batteries are included for immediate use, plus a helpful pictorial guide for effortless operation. The Fabinex Fruit and Vegetable Cleaning Machine uses OH ion purification technology to wash away dirt and residues from fruits, vegetables, meat, and even tableware, no chemicals needed. Compact and easy to use, it cleans food safely while preserving nutrients and extending freshness. Just immerse it in water and press the power button to purify in minutes. Featuring a removable top for easy cleaning, this USB rechargeable device can be used up to 30 times on a single charge, making it an eco-friendly, silent, and convenient kitchen tool. The Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoon Set combines durability, style, and functionality for any kitchen. Made from premium stainless steel, these heavy-duty spoons resist rust and bending, ensuring long-lasting use. The set includes 7 dual-sided spoons that fit easily into spice jars and measure liquids precisely, plus a leveler for accuracy. Strong N45 magnets keep the spoons neatly nested for storage, while easy-to-read markings won't fade. Dishwasher safe and convenient, they're the perfect tool for any cook or baker. The cozy BlueWater dispenser is a portable, easy-to-use pump that makes drinking fresh water hassle-free. Made from high-quality, BPA-free materials, it fits 3, 4, and 5-gallon bottles without lifting or flipping. This compact pump features a one-touch operation and an upgraded USB rechargeable 1200 mAh battery that lasts up to a month on a single charge. The automatic off switch ensures convenience and safety, making it perfect for home or outdoor use. Ideal for any bottle with a 2.16-inch neck size. This 34-piece kitchen utensil set by Umate Chef is a must-have for every kitchen, providing a complete range of tools to unleash your inner chef. Featuring heat-resistant, non-melting silicone heads and vintage wooden handles, these gadgets withstand up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit and won't scratch your cookware. Odorless, BPA-free, and easy to clean, this set comes with a handy holder for neat organization. It's a perfect starter pack for new homes and a thoughtful gift for friends and family. The Chefman electric kettle quickly boils water in 3 minutes with 1500-watt power. Its 1.8-liter borosilicate glass design features a removable lid for easy cleaning, stainless steel filter, and LED lights that illuminate during heating. With automatic shutoff, boil dry protection, and a cordless 360-degree swivel base, it's safe and convenient for daily use. Sleek and stylish, it elevates any kitchen. The Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen companion with 17 preset options to air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, and roast. Its extra-large 10-quart capacity can prepare family-sized meals with 98% less oil for healthier eating. The rapid air heating cooks food fast and evenly, while the capacitive touchscreen and interior light make monitoring easy. Accessories include 3 airflow racks, a rotisserie spit, and a drip tray for complete meal preparation. This 26-piece mixing bowl set from Umate Chef is a complete kitchen solution, featuring 6 sizes from 7QT to 1QT with QT labels for easy selection. The stainless steel bowls have non-slip silicone bottoms for stability, airtight lids for leak-proof storage, and 3 grater attachments for versatile prepping. Nesting for space-saving storage, they're dishwasher safe, lids recommended hand wash. Durable, dent-resistant, and rust-proof, this set also includes extra kitchen tools for ultimate convenience. The CAROTE 15-piece cookware set features a cream-white granite nonstick design with versatile detachable handles, saving up to 70% storage space by allowing easy stacking without handles. Dishwasher, oven, fridge, and induction safe, this set offers effortless cleanup and seamless transition from stove to oven, grill, or table. Its upgraded secure handle attachment ensures safety during cooking while providing rapid, even heat transfer and reliable nonstick performance for a convenient, all-in-one kitchen solution. The Saucison 2-pack heavy-duty bamboo cutting board set is designed for durability, style, and performance. Crafted with 5-layer bamboo splicing, these boards are twice as thick as standard options, resisting cracks and warping even under heavy use. Their non-slip rubber feet ensure stability, while the knife-safe, ultra-smooth surface keeps blades sharp. Available in extra large and small sizes, this set is perfect for prepping veggies, meat, and more. With natural bamboo grain and elegant packaging, it makes a beautiful and functional gift. The FIKSHOT Premium Kitchen Knife Set is a must-have for home cooks. Featuring a razor-sharp sentoku knife and paring knife, these precision blades make meal prep easy and enjoyable. Crafted with high-carbon stainless steel and full-tang construction, they offer exceptional balance, durability, and rust resistance. The sleek knife block keeps everything organized, while the honing steel ensures lasting sharpness. Perfect for women who love cooking, this set makes an elegant and practical gift. The OXO Good Grips 11-pound stainless steel food scale is designed for accurate, convenient, and easy food weighing. It features a pull-out display that avoids shadowing from large bowls, a removable platform for hassle-free cleaning, and a zero function to tare ingredients. Its digital screen shows large, easy-to-read numbers and measures in ounces, pounds, grams, or kilograms. With its smudge-resistant stainless steel finish and compact design, this scale is a must-have for every kitchen. Thanks for watching our roundup of the 17 Amazon kitchen must-haves for effortless cooking. We hope these gadgets inspire you to make your kitchen life easier and more enjoyable. If you loved this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest kitchen finds. Have you tried any of these gadgets, or do you have your own favorites? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for joining us, and happy cooking!